Good morning, students. So, today from Standard 7 English Medium, Standard 7 English Medium, new chapter comes. Chapter number 7. What verbs past tense? Verbs past tense. Present completed, now comes to the past tense. What is past tense and how we say that it's a past? So here first given the definition, simple past tense definition. The simple past tense is used to indicate an action completed in the past. Where? Completed in the past. Okay, here given the past tense, simple past, past continuous, present perfect continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous. And the sentence with I with spoke. Spoke is given in the past form. If this is the present form, it, and what is the past form of it? Ate. We have 5 forms. Main verb, if right, speak. Then the past form, past participle. So we go with this past form, speak, spoke, and spoken is the third form. So go with this form. So we use this simple present tense. Now see, here given the sentence, we moved Kolkata in 2013. So just now in 2013 we moved, but living from 2007, showing the past event. We moved in 2013. Don't show that's the present and future. Okay, so in the affirmative sentence we use pronoun and noun with the past form of the verb. Okay, past form of the verb you already learned in 6th standard. In the negative sentence or interrogative sentence we use did. Didn't is using as where? In the negative, did not or didn't. And asking the interrogative sentence we use only did. Did I ask you a question? Ask you a question. When you use interrogative sentence or negative, interrogative or negative sentence, when we use the main verb in a sentence. What? We use the main verb. Did I ask you a question? If I ask, I negative sentence, I didn't or I did not. Did not, then we what? Ask. Ask main verb is used. But in affirmative sentence you write the past form of the verb. Okay, so see, did or didn't question in interrogative sentence you use the main verb. Interrogative sentence use the main verb. Or in interrogative WH and negative interrogative you use main verb. So you use where if affirmative sentence is we form, that time you use the past form of the verb. Now let's see the exercise here given. A, B, C, D. And in this exercise, what we do? We change the verb into past tense. Underline is the given the noun form. Before that verb we change. Here given Radhika is awarded. So here is the word, given is the present form. Okay, so what we do? Instead of writing is, we remove is, and what we add? We add was. Radhika was awarded the best student of the year. Then the word receives. Receives shows that the present form. So we write what? Received. Received shows that the past form of the verb. Okay, Radhika is awarded the best student of the year. We change. Radhika was awarded the best student of the year. She received 12 books and scholarship as prize. Then the third sentence here given, her parents feel very happy. So here change feel. Feel change into felt. Feel change into felt. Her parents felt happy on her success. And the word is given in the next. Her friends congratulate. Congratulate. So only add D. Congratulated. The word is past form. Congratulated her on this sticks. Now see the B. It is. It is Monday. So what we write? It was Monday. Then Ali comes to the province school as a teacher for the first time. So comes change into came. Comes change into here comes. Ali comes to the province school as a teacher for the first time. So here come we change into went. Okay, because Ali went there. Where? The school. That is why comes change into not came but into went. Then the first person he meets. The first person he meet. So meet change into mate. What? Meet change into mate. Then here given is. So is change into what? Is change into was. He made the school was George. Then the word given appears. So appears change into appeared. Appeared much younger than his age. Ali thinks. Things change into what? Thought. Things change into thought. THOUGHT. Ali thought he is. He was a student. George smiles. Smiles change into smiled. George smiled at Ali. Smiled at Ali and takes change into took him to the classroom. All the students stand up. Stand up is given. So here what? Stood up. Stood up to greet George with a lot of enthusiastic. Greet George. So greet George with a lot of enthusiasm. Then he introduced change into introduced. ED. Remove S and add D. Then Ali to his students. Ali discovers. What? Ali discovers change into discovered. Discovered. Okay, discovered that George is changed into was a teacher in the school. They become. What? Now the word become change into became. Become change into became. Okay, they became friends. Then the word Ria's first day at school. Ria's first day at school is going very well. Is going very well. So Ria's first day at school is going is the present continuous showing the present. But what? Go is the main verb and past form of went. Okay, so is going we remove and write went very well. See finds. So what? Finds change into found. See, found that the school was much bigger than her previous one. Then during lunch she explores. See, explored. CEXPLORED. She explored. She explored the library and is changed into was. Happy to see her favorite book on the shelves. Her classmates and teachers are changed into were. Very helpful. Then they make change into made. They made sure she understood what is being taught. Is change into was. Then the day after the storm is bright and sunny. So is change into what? Was. And the leaves took fresh and new. The leaves look change into looked. Look change into looked. Birds are change into were, singing and flying around their nest. The flower in the garden seem more colorful. So here seem change into only what? Adding ed, seemed. More colorful butterflies. More colorful butterflies find their way to this flower to collect nectar. So find change into what? Found. What? Found. So this is how we change these present form verbs into past form. I hope you understand about it. Thank you.